Imagine a world where technology could help us understand and manage our emotions, offering new ways to achieve mental clarity and emotional balance. What if we could treat debilitating mental health conditions with the power of our own minds, harnessing the potential of our brain's natural capabilities? This is the promise of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, a revolutionary technology poised to transform the landscape of mental health care, making it more personalized and effective. BCIs offer a new frontier in our quest to understand and harness the complexities of the human brain, particularly in the realm of emotional well-being, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. BCIs hold immense potential for those struggling with conditions like depression, anxiety, and PTSD, offering new hope and innovative treatment options. By creating a direct link between our brains and computers, we can tap into the intricate neural networks that govern our emotions, allowing for more precise interventions. This opens up unprecedented possibilities for diagnosis, treatment, and even enhancement of our emotional lives, paving the way for a future where mental health care is more accessible and effective for everyone.
At their core, BCIs act as bridges between our brains and external devices, enabling direct communication. They work by detecting, interpreting, and responding to the electrical signals generated by our brains, which are essentially the language of our neural activity. Imagine a bustling city lit up at night. Each twinkling light represents a neuron firing in the brain, creating a complex network of communication. BCIs allow us to listen to this symphony of neural activity, translating these signals into commands that can control external devices. There are two main types of BCIs, invasive and non-invasive, each with its own set of advantages and challenges. Invasive BCIs involve implanting electrodes directly into the brain tissue, which requires surgical procedures. This provides the most precise readings of brain activity, allowing for highly accurate control of devices. Non-invasive BCIs, on the other hand, rely on sensors placed on the scalp to detect brain waves, much like an EEG, making them easier to use. Both types of BCIs hold promise for emotional control and various applications. Invasive BCIs offer greater precision, while non-invasive BCIs are safer and less invasive, making them more accessible for everyday use. To understand how BCIs can influence our emotions, we need to delve into the emotional centers of the brain. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure deep within the brain, plays a crucial role in processing emotions, particularly fear and anxiety. The prefrontal cortex, located at the front of the brain, is responsible for higher cognitive functions, including emotional regulation and decision-making. BCIs can target these regions to monitor and modulate emotional responses.
The potential applications of BCIs in mental health treatment are vast and promising. For individuals with depression, BCIs could help regulate activity in areas of the brain associated with mood. This could offer a more targeted and effective alternative to traditional antidepressant medications. For those battling anxiety disorders, BCIs could provide real-time feedback on anxiety levels, allowing individuals to practice relaxation techniques and gain better control over their anxiety. In the case of PTSD, BCIs could aid in processing traumatic memories and reducing their emotional impact.
Section 5. Mastering our emotions. Real-time feedback and control. One of the most remarkable aspects of BCIs is their ability to provide real-time feedback on our emotional states. Imagine being able to see a visual representation of your anxiety levels, much like checking your heart rate on a smartwatch. This feedback loop allows for immediate self-awareness and the opportunity to consciously modulate our emotional responses. Over time, this can lead to greater emotional regulation and resilience.
Section 6. The Science of Emotion Modulation. How BCIs make it possible. The science behind emotional modulation through BCIs is rooted in the principle of neuroplasticity. This refers to the brain's remarkable ability to change and adapt throughout life. By stimulating specific brain regions or patterns of brain activity, BCIs can help rewire neural pathways associated with emotional processing. For example, by providing feedback that reinforces positive emotional states, BCIs can strengthen neural circuits associated with well-being and resilience. This can lead to long-term changes in emotional regulation and overall mental health.
Section 7. A brighter future with BCIs. Benefits and potential. The benefits of using BCIs for mental health extend beyond symptom management. Unlike traditional treatments that often rely on medication or therapy sessions, BCIs offer a non-invasive, personalized, and empowering approach to mental health care. Imagine a future where individuals can manage their mental health proactively, using BCIs to monitor their emotional well-being, practice mindfulness, and access personalized interventions at their fingertips. Section 8. Navigating the ethical landscape of brain-computer interfaces. As with any transformative technology, BCIs raise important ethical considerations. Privacy, autonomy, and access are paramount concerns. Who will have access to our brain data? How can we ensure that BCIs are used responsibly and ethically? These are questions that require careful consideration and open dialogue as we venture into this new frontier of brain-computer interaction. Establishing clear ethical guidelines and regulations will be crucial to ensure the responsible development and deployment of BCIs for mental health.
Section 9. A future transformed BCIs and the evolution of mental health care. Brain-computer interfaces hold immense promise for transforming the landscape of mental health care. These advanced technologies are not just tools, they are gateways to a deeper understanding of the human mind. By bridging the gap between our brains and technology, BCIs empower us to understand, manage, and even enhance our emotional lives. This connection allows for real-time monitoring and intervention, offering unprecedented control over mental states. While challenges and ethical considerations remain, the potential benefits of BCIs for mental health are undeniable. Issues such as privacy, consent, and data security must be addressed to ensure responsible use. As we continue to unravel the complexities of the human brain, BCIs offer a beacon of hope for millions struggling with mental health conditions. These interfaces could revolutionize how we diagnose, treat, and even prevent mental illnesses, paving the way for a future where mental well-being is within reach for all. Imagine a world where mental health support is as accessible and personalized as physical health care.